Hello and welcome in my YouTube channel White Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to interface and program LCD 16 Class 2 with PIC microcontroller. Let us get started. I will create new project. So click over here. We'll change the name of project LCD 16 Class 2 and I will change the path of project. Okay. Next, 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 finish. Okay. So first of all, I will take PIC microcontroller, PIC 16F 84A. Okay, and I will take LCD. I will take this. And I will take potentiometer. This is 10K potentiometer. Okay, I will connect the wire. So I will use 4-bit LCD. So I will connect D4 to RB0 pin of controller and D5 connect to RB1, D6 connect to RB2, D7 connect to RB3. RS pin is connect to RB4 and enable pin is connect to RB5. I will take ground and power. Okay, I will connect read write pin to ground. I will connect VEE to Vipera potentiometer and VDD connect to power and VSS is minus, so I will connect this VSS to okay. Now circuit is completed, so we will go to programming. This is micro C software. I will create new project. Next, here I will type project name LCD 16 class 2 and here we will decide project path. Okay, and here I will select controller name. Okay, finish. So this is editor. So for LCD programming we will go to help and help. Here I will search LCD. Here is LCD library. So you can see here external dependencies of LCD library. You can see here every functions are here. So this is an example. So I will copy these line, and I'll copy this and I will paste here. Oh, I have to save this. Save. Okay. So first we have to check D5 pin, sorry, D4 pin is connected to RB0. Here is okay. D4 pin is connected to RB0. So RB0, RB1, RB2, RB3, and RS pin is connected to RB4, and enable pin is connected to RB5. So here should be same. RS pin is connected to RB4 and enable pin is connected to RB5. So it's good. And now here we have to initialize LCD. So LCD underscore init. Okay. And now I will again go there. We no need to this variable. So this is LCD clear command and LCD cursor off. So I will copy these two lines. And here we will print message. So LCD underscore out, and here we have to type message. So it's while loop. Robotech. And here we have to type coordinate where we want to print. So we want to print here first column and first row. Okay. So I think code is ready. Now I will build. Oh, here is error. LCD underscore init. So we have to go to library manager. Library manager is here. If you cannot get here, so go to view and click over library manager. So it will show here. Click on system libraries, and here is LCD library. So you have to check. Okay. Now we can build here. What's problem? I have to comma again here. Now I will build. Build has been successful. So I will open Proteus. I will click over here. I will select here X file. Okay, and I will change here clock frequency 8 megahertz, and I will run. Wow, you can see here, and this is printing. Some text are missing, but okay. So we want to move this line, so I will use for loop for so I will create a variable char data type I variable. Okay, I equal to 0, I greater than, we have to count this text number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 19 and I plus plus. Here I have to type lcd underscore cmd. For write command we have to see in library lcd underscore lcd, sorry, underscore lcd underscore shift underscore write. You can see here, I will copy this. Okay, and here delay, okay, I will use here while loop. This is infinite. Okay, I will build again. What's problem? Okay, I'll build. I'll stop here and run. This is not shifting, and again I will run. Okay, oh, I have to here less than. Okay, I'll build again and I'll go to Proteus and run. This is right shift, so I will again left shift. Here is left. I'll build, go to Proteus, stop and run. Okay, I'll copy this line and I will paste here. Greater than 0, I minus minus, and here I will type right. I'll build, stop and run. Wow. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please do like, comment and share. And I have to request, if you really like my work, so you can financially support me by PayPal, and PayPal account is given in description box. Thanks for watching.